Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to change hotspot password on Android device. It will help you. So let's get started. Go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down. Now click on connections. Scroll down and click on mobile hotspots and tethering and click on mobile hotspots. Now click on here network name and password. Click here. Now change your hotspot password name and now change your hotspot password. Now click on save. By doing this process, you can change hotspot password on Android device. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us.